Welcome you all in today's Vedic math session. Base method of multiplication. Multiplying number with different bases. In previous session, we have seen multiply numbers with same bases. In this session, we are going to learn with the different bases. How? Let's see. Example, 85 multiplied by 995. If we see the base, 85 is near to 100 and 995 is near to 1000. We know the method for the same base. Now what to do? We will first multiply this 85 by 10. What will happen with this? If we multiply 85 by 10, we will get 850 and the base will be then 1000. So we will get same base of two numbers and we can follow the same step and get the answer. Okay. But remember here that when you get the answer, final answer at the end, you need to divide the answer by 10. Why? Because at first we have multiplied 85 by 10. There should not be difference in the answer. Okay. We need to get the correct answer. So first we multiply by 10 and at the end we divide it by 10 only. Okay. Here the base is 1000. Then follow the same method, same steps. 850. The difference is 150 and here the difference is 5. Now number of zeros are 3. So we will put 3 places here. Then second step is multiplying this difference. 150 minus 150 multiplied by minus 5. Minus minus will get plus. And we will get the answer 750. Okay. We will put the answer on RHS. Then we will find the cross answer. 850 minus 5 or 995 minus 150. We will get the same answer. 845. And this will be our answer. This is not our last answer. Okay. The correct answer will be when we divide this answer by 10, we will get the final answer. This one. 84,575. What we have done? We have just multiplied 85 by 10 to get the same base. Follow the steps that we have seen in the previous session. Okay. And then follow the steps and get the answer. And this answer we will divide by 10 to get the final answer. Okay. Let's take this example. 999 multiplied by 99. Here the same thing. 99 has base 100 and this has base 1000. So we need to make the base same. For this, we will multiply 99 by 10. So we will get 990 and the base will be then 1000. Okay. Follow the same step. Difference minus 1 minus 10. 1000 minus 1 is 999 and 1000 minus 10 is 990. Then put the places as the number of zeros in the base. 3 zeros, 3 places. Then multiply this difference. You will get 10, but we need to fill up this place with the 0. Then cross answer, either you can do this cross or this cross. The answer will be the same. So here we are getting 990 minus 1 is 989. Now this is the answer, but this is not our final answer. Okay. Now we need to divide the answer by 10 and then it will be final answer. Now there can be the situation that we are multiplying a number above the base with a number below the base. Means one number can be above 100 and another number can be below 100. So there will be the situation of plus minus. Okay, the difference can be plus or minus. We will understand this situation with the example. This one. 120 multiplied by 99. Base is same. 120, base is 100, and here is also base is 100. But what is the situation here? 120 is above the base and this one 99 is below the base. Okay. So let's check how we can solve this problem. Base is 100. Then put the places, 2 places, 2 0, 2 places. Now here the difference is plus 20 because above 100, and here the difference is minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. How we solve this? Check. Multiplication with the difference will be minus 20. We will not write the answer here. We will write below these places. Okay, minus 20. And then in these places, we will put 0. Okay, what we have done? We have multiplied this difference. Plus minus will come minus, and 20 multiplied by 120. We will write below here. And in these places, we will put 0. Okay. Then cross answer. 120 minus 1. 120 minus 1 is 119. Or if you add these two numbers, you are going to get the same answer. Okay. 119. But this is not our final answer. What is the next step? That we will subtract this minus 20 from this answer. Here, we will do the calculation and we know how to solve the problem. Okay. So if we do the subtraction, we are going to get this answer, 11,880. So in this way, we need to solve the problem when one number is above the base and another number is below the base. Take this example. Here base is same. 1044 is above 1000 and this one is below 1000. Okay. So here find the difference. Here will be plus 44 and here the difference will be minus 2 because it is below the base. Now put the places as the number of zeros in base. Whatever answer you will get, you write down here minus 88 and put 0 in those places. And then cross answer is 1042 right here. This is not our final answer. We need to subtract this. Okay. Now do the subtraction here and get the answer. Now we know the subtraction rule that last from 10 and all from 9. If you check this 2000 minus 88, 10 minus 82, 9 minus 81, 9 minus 81, 2 minus 1 is 1 and now 4, 0, 1. In this way, you will get the answer. Okay. These are the examples. You try by yourself and whatever answer you get, you write in the comment box given below. Okay. That's all for today's. Thank you. See you next time.